Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where we create concrete decor. And today I'm making adorable concrete pot for my bestie. The inspiration, nature itself, especially the majestic ocean. I absolutely love seashells, nautilus, and all of these odd and whimsical shapes. So let's get started. As always, I begin by building a mold. For this shape, I'm using balloons, one large one and several smaller ones arranged from biggest to smallest. I tape the small balloons together and then attach them to the main balloon, forming something that already resembles a seashell. I mix up a concrete blend made of cement, sand, water, and a bit of too fine clay, the kind you can find in garden supply stores. At first I apply the mix with a spatula, but honestly, hands work better, it's quicker and easier. I let the piece dry for a day, then add a second layer of concrete to reinforce the shape and give it more strength. Now it's time to play with texture. I'm keeping it subtle, more of a soft suggestion of ridges rather than defined lines. Maybe next time I'll explore bolder leaves. To be honest, I didn't really think much about the texture here. I just decided to go with the flow and trust the creative process. You can take inspiration from real seashells and try to make a more accurate replica if you'd like. The next day, I remove the balloons and clean up the mold. The inside still needs smoothing, and the planter doesn't quite stand on its own yet. I found these old round concrete pieces from a previous project and I decided to use them as a base, but ended up adding more concrete to form larger, more stable fit. Then I finished the backside of the planter. Now for the fun part, decorating. I originally wanted it white, but honestly I kind of like the natural color too. Maybe I'll enhance it next time instead of painting it over. Still, I went with white acrylic paint and then added a coat mixed with a pearlescent pigment to give it a soft shimmer. And here it is, a lovely little ocean-inspired concrete planter, perfect as a gift and a fun project for any concrete decor lover.